is dark to the land going to be playing stunt car racing. I just don't know this is my first time recording. So you guys enjoy. I don't know what's going on right now. They start me off sideways. Great. That's just outstanding. But I'm playing Stars right now. Like dead. So I guess that this game has been updated a lot, and the updates are really laggy, I guess. And people are trying to ram into me. Okay. So I'm just joining in the lobby, so it's only gonna be a little bit of time, and it's over. But yeah, stupid ads. I know a glitch to get like a whole bunch of money. I just don't. I don't use it. Well, I didn't use it. I do use it, but I didn't use it because I just downloaded it. Special. But I guess I'm gonna give a shout out in my next video. Yes, to one of my friends that I play on Vita with. You should go check his channel out too. I mean, not that I really have anything to watch because I just made a new YouTube channel. I don't know why everybody has these whack cars. I mean, I understand why I have whack cars because I'm too lazy to do glitching, which takes time. I'm gonna make a video on that, by the way, if I don't know any since the glitch. Yeah, so this every day. You know what? I'll just go into that next video. Brain fart. Oh yeah, and if you could see the iron level. Oh, snap, those black guys. Oh, looks like this one is already got to work us. Come on now. You see how I have 0 points. And you know, guys, I don't want to reach point. And that's what I'm afraid. That's a hint to my friend's name. I don't want to reach point. Don't worry, I'm just getting back into this game. It's been a long time since I played, but once I get the hang of it again, that's all I gotta say. Right now, I'm not doing too well. Oh, that drift though. If I even, you know what? What is like? Guys, see you in the next video, which will be my tutorial on how to get free coins. Hope you guys enjoy that, because I certainly did enjoy it. So, guys, have a nice time, and I'll see you in the